Okay, so we're going to draw a car. So, do you like cars?
Yes.
Wow, I like cars, especially the ones that will run very fast.
I like the one very fast too.
Wow, what do they call that car?
Race car.
Wow. So, what's the first letter of a car?
C.
Good. So, C is for car. Now, let's draw. So, from this point, somewhere in the middle, are you looking at me? From here, you draw a straight line like this. Good. Then from this front, you also draw a line that will come up like this, a little bit. At the back, the same, a little bit. Good. And then you draw it straight to the front. Good. And also straight to the back from here. Good. Then from here, you draw it downward a little bit, not too much. Okay. All right. Then from here, you come in a little bit here. Good. And then curve it. Not too much. Oh, yours came out too much. But it's okay.
You said I have to make it big.
I said curve it, but not too much. But it's okay. Here, just come down a little bit or so. Come down to the level. Come down in such a way that it will be on the same line with this. So come to no. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Car can be like that. So here, from here, you go inward a bit.
Inward a bit.
Yeah. Then you also curve it. Draw a curve. It's okay. Then you need to join this part, but your part is so low. What you are going to do, instead of joining this edge, you have to join from somewhere here. Join from somewhere here. So join these 2 points together. Good. Then I join mine. So you have to draw a big circle. Your circle should be able to go down here and come like this. It's a tire of the car. Good. And also the back, do another tire as well. Good. All right, so inside the tire, inside here, we do another circle again. Can you draw another circle? Good. And another one here as well. Good. Okay. All right, so what we are going to do is, are you seeing what I'm doing? So draw another line this way. And another one here. Then join these 2 lines from the top. Good. And also join the bottom one here. Okay, then you also draw a demarcation in between them like this at the middle. Good. All right, so let's give it a bumper. We draw a bumper here like this at the front. Come down a bit. Yes. Okay, and also at the back here, also draw a bumper as well. At the back front, at the back rather. Okay. So, and this one also have to bring this down to this point, the door. And this other one, draw it down. Good. So let's give it a light. You know, a car has a light, so let's give it a circular light at the front, the headlight, and also the same at the back. But yours, you already have it. Good. All right. Fantastic. Wow. So what are we going to do now?
We're going to color.
Let's color it.
Okay.
So let's use red to color the car. All right. So just watch where we're going to color. You color this point, this area. Have you done that? You've not finished, say this portion. Once you're done, you color this top. Color the top. The top. Okay. You know you have a wider area, so you have to color all these points, all these areas, because your car has a wider part or areas at the top, unlike mine.
This one will finish.
It's okay, just go ahead, just be careful. Okay, so once you're done, you also continue to color here, or you color there, or do you like red color?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Color the rest of that side. Let's go. Good. Be careful, gently. Go ahead. Okay. All right, so you can also color the back here. You can see this area. Also shade those areas as well.
Are you going to color a whole of the car?
Yes, well, we're not coloring here. Here is the glass. So we're going to color this place.
Let's color here.
Yes, we'll color there as well.
I'm going to color here first.
Okay. Let's go. Let's color. How is it going? Are you enjoying it? Good.
What is this first? Can I not color this?
Yes, color this area, but don't color here. Don't color here. Just color only here.
Let's leave in this place white.
Yes, we'll leave that place white. Good. For now. Okay. Red is very good.
It's finishing.
Yes, keep going. Keep going. Red is an interesting color.
Done.
Done. You have to color this area as well, and here, all these places. But don't color this before here. Just color only these areas. Okay. Don't color the tire. The tire, we're going to color the tire black.
Black. The tire must be black.
Yeah, tire is always black. We have not finished coloring here first. Finish coloring.
This. Oh, this is not like this.
You're covering it, okay? Sorry. Bless you. So, let's go ahead and finish shading these areas. How's it going?
Good.
Good. Sorry.
Okay.
Don't shade this one. Don't shade this one. Just shade only this place. Okay. Just color only.
What is this place? Is it just white?
No, we're going to put that another color.
What are you going to put this one?
Just finish here. Finish this one first. See, Daddy is done with his own. Finish yours up. Then we'll pick another color for that.
Done.
Good, but there are a lot of spaces, white spaces here.
But I don't need to color them.
It's okay, that's fine. Alright, so let's color our bumper
our bumper.
Yeah, our bumper. Let's give bumper a black color. This is our bumper. This is a bumper. Good. Then this is a fender. Fender here.
I want to
You've
color.
already colored it black. Okay, that's good.
I color a bit more.
Okay, then our tire.
I want it a bit white.
Look at the tire here. Color the inside here. Inside here is where we're going to color black. You are coloring from the front. That is coloring from the back
I
tire.
want to color this part first.
It's okay. If you want to color the the front tire first, it's fine. That is starting from the back tires.
I like black too.
Be careful, don't color the inside here. Just color the outside. Good. You colored it well. Then color the other one, the inside alone. Don't color the outside or the inner one. Just color there. The space in between the two circles. Good. That's fine.
Now color this one a bit more because I was white spaces.
Yeah. Okay, so let's give let's color our glass. Let's give it a light blue color. Let's give it light blue color here. Just color the inside here and give it a color.
But maybe this was dark blue. Why is it a white blue?
Oh, here we are going to color here as well as red. Before we forget that middle one, this middle, give it a red color. Then you can continue with giving it light blue color. Okay. All right, go on. Keep going. You have no color here as well. Just go and complete that. Okay, are you done? Then this other one. That's your glass.
But you said the glass have to be white.
Might just give it color. If it's white, it won't be so nice. But it's blue. Blue is fine. Which item or what do you know? Which object do you know that has a blue color?
The sky is blue.
Yeah, what
But
else?
the
Any other
sky
thing?
is a bit white.
The sky can also be white, yes, when the day is so bright.
What else did it say?
Yeah, what else is blue in color?
Maybe the sea.
The sea, good. Okay, that's fine. So now let's paint the light yellow. This light, give it a yellow color. Your front headlight. Good. And also the back one, give it a yellow color.
Daddy,
Good. All right. So wow, this is a fine car.
Daddy, blue and yellow makes green.
Blue and yellow makes green. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so now let's paint the inside. Let's paint it green. The inside of the tire, I mean, inside of this tire here.
I don't have any green.
You don't have green color? Ooh, where is your green color? You have green. Yeah, okay. You found it. Good. Alright, so let's paint inside of our tire or our wheel. This will be the wheel. We'll give it a paint the two or color the two.
I want to color it wheel.
Yeah, the wheel of the tire of the car. Fantastic. So our car is done. And what do you say is the first letter of a car?
C.
Good. C for car. So can you write it?
What's
You can use a blue
this one.
You can use this deep blue.
I like this one. I want
If
to
it's okay. You can use any one.
how to twist it a bit.
Alright, so write your color. Write the first letter of the car. C. Correct. That's awesome. C for car. C for car. Wow, this is awesome. Everyone, I hope you joined us today in this video and enjoyed our drawing today. Please subscribe to our channel and like it and also share it, okay? What do you have to say to fellow kids?
Come and see our drawing us did today. So subscribe to our channel.
All right, thank you everyone and bye. See you in another video.
Well.